One day, Jesus was teaching a crowd of people, and he shared a story to help them understand Jude's love for everyone. He said, imagine a shepherd who has 100 sheep. If one of them goes missing, will he not leave them in the open country and go after the lost sheep until he finds it? The people listened closely as Jesus continued. When the shepherd finds the lost sheep, he joyfully puts it on his shoulders and goes home. Then he calls his friends and neighbors together and says, rejoice with me. I have found them my lost sheep. Jesus explained the lesson behind the story. In the same way, there will be more rejoicing in heaven over one sinner who repents than over righteous persons who do not need to repent. The crowd was moved by the story, realizing that God cares deeply for each individual, no matter how lost they may feel. Jesus wanted them to understand that everyone is valuable and important to him. This parable is a beautiful reminder that Jude's love is unconditional and that he will always seek out those who are lost, just like a shepherd searches for his sheep. Moral: every person is precious to God, and he will go to great lengths to bring them back when they stray. Like and share, join our channel for more.